Hello, welcome to Exotic Gardening with me, Yorkshire Chris. You usually see me out in the garden, showing you what I'm growing, how I overwinter my plants, and which exotics you can get away with here in Yorkshire. But today, I'm doing something a little different. I want to share with you my top 5 UK exotic gardening channels that I personally watch for inspiration, ideas, and a bit of tropical escapism. First up is Grow Paradise. I absolutely love this channel because it shows you how to make the most of any garden space, no matter how big or small. One of the things that really stands out is how the creator combines practical, hands-on gardening tips with truly inspiring design ideas. You'll see incredible examples of dense tropical borders, clever plant arrangements, and thoughtful combinations that really maximise both visual impact and plant health. There's also lots of tips that actually work here in the UK climate, so you're not just looking at pretty ideas, you can put them into practice yourself. Being based in the south of the country, this channel has the advantage of being able to test and grow more tender plants that I would struggle with up north. It's fascinating to see the differences and possibilities between southern and northern gardens. If you're gardening in the south yourself, it's a real eye-opener for what's achievable in your climate. And if you're like me, up north, it's still great inspiration for plants that might be grown in containers or given winter protection. Another thing that I really admire is a clever use of space for propagation and overwintering, especially in his small greenhouse. Watching how he rotates plants, maximises space and prepares tender exotics for the colder months is both educational and inspiring. Whether you're just starting your first tropical garden, looking for creative planting ideas, or wanting to learn practical tips for propagation and care, Grow Paradise is an excellent channel to explore. Honestly, it's one of those channels you can return to again and again because there's always something new to learn and try in your own garden. Next up is Tropical Plant Addict. This one is an absolute dream if you love your exotics bold, leafy and dramatic, both indoors and outdoors. You'll find everything from monsteras and alocasias to palms and other statement plants. The channel is packed with plant hauls, decor inspiration and plenty of practical tips, so it's perfect if you want to carry that tropical vibe from your garden right into your home. But it's not just indoor plants, the outdoor planting is truly tropical. You can see lush borders, vibrant foliage combinations and creative use of space that really brings the garden to life. The way the garden is designed shows a lot of thought, with artistic touches that make each area feel special. Personally, I love the tiki bar area and the colourful decorations scattered throughout the garden. These little details add personality and a sense of fun, showing that tropical gardening isn't just about plants. It's about creating an atmosphere and a space you can actually enjoy spending time in. Whether you're looking for ideas to make your own indoor jungle, enhance your outdoor borders, or just want inspiration for adding colour and creativity to your garden, Tropical Plant Addict is one of those channels you can come back to again and again. There's always something new to admire or try in your own space. Next on my list is Tiki Tropicals. I've been watching their recent garden makeover and wow, the transformation is absolutely incredible. One of the most impressive things is the decision to dig up the lawn and create additional planting areas. Using a yin-yang design, it adds a sense of balance and flow to the garden while making room for more tropical plants. On top of that, the creation of a huge, multifaceted pond has completely changed the feel of the space. Watching it come together has been thoroughly enjoyable. It's clear it must have taken a lot of hard work, planning and patience. The pond, which hasn't yet been completed, will not only add movement, reflection and a calming water element, but it will also tie the whole tropical theme together beautifully. What really sets this channel apart is it's not just about the plants themselves. You get ideas for atmosphere, garden design and a touch of fun, from the layout and planting styles to clever decor touches that all combine to make the space feels like a mini holiday escape. Whether you're looking for inspiration to redesign your own garden, add a water feature, or just see a tropical garden come to life in the UK, Tiki Tropicals is pure gold. It's a kind of channel that makes you want to grab a spade, start planning, and get creative in your own garden. Next is a bit of a different one. This is the channel of Big Plant Nursery. This channel comes straight from a professional nursery, which means it's packed with expert knowledge and practical advice that's genuinely useful for UK gardeners. One of the things I love about it is you get to see hardy palms, bananas, yuccas, bamboos and other exotic plants that you can actually grow in our climate. Nothing unrealistic here. What makes it really valuable is the way the channel combines inspiration with practical know-how. You can watch how they care for the plants, how they prepare them for winter, and learn which species are worth investing in your own garden. It's also fascinating to get a peek behind the scenes of a nursery, seeing how plants are propagated, maintained and grown before they even reach our gardens. Whether you're just starting your tropical garden or you're a seasoned exotic grower, Big Plant Nursery is a fantastic resource. It's practical, educational and full of inspiration for anyone wanting to choose the right plants and give them the best chance to thrive. Thank you for watching this edition of Exotic Gardening UK. Wait, did I forget someone? Hang on a second, I said top 5, didn't I? That's only 4. Who did I nearly forget? Of course, it's George's Jungle Garden. How could I nearly forget? I absolutely love following George's Lincolnshire garden as it gradually transforms into a proper tropical jungle even in northern UK climate, just like my own. The channel is full of inspiration for anyone who wants to push the boundaries of what can be grown up north. What really makes George's channel stand out is its honesty. You see both the wins and the challenges of exotic gardening, protecting bananas through harsh winters, keeping tree ferns alive and experimenting with different microclimates. It's not just about the glossy perfect shots, you get the real day-to-day realities of managing a tropical garden in the UK. On top of that, the channel features beautiful photography. You'll often see sunlight streaming through dense foliage, dramatic shots of plants, and of course George's adorable sausage dogs running riot through the garden. The epic garden tours of other gardens are particularly impressive, showing exactly what can be grown successfully in a northern climate and giving you lots of ideas for your own space. I'm also really looking forward to seeing the fire pit project finally finished and what else George will add. There's always something new and exciting happening in the garden. Overall, George's Jungle Garden is both inspiring and educational. Whether you're just starting out with exotic plants or you're a seasoned UK tropical gardener, it's a channel that's well worth following. You'll learn to be motivated and most importantly, see that a lush tropical garden is achievable even in the north. Before we wrap up, here are a few honourable mentions. Channels I keep an eye on for how exotics are faring across the country. Southview House Exotic, a southern UK garden with an exotic style designed and planted in late 2022 in Hampshire, UK. Wheeler Tropicals, based in Birmingham, great for greenhouse setups and budget-friendly tropical tips. Mark's House and Garden, loads of seasonal updates and advice on harder exotics and much more. Great Northern Exotic Garden, another northern exotic grower who's got a passion for more arid plants amongst leafy exotics. Other tropical creators, there's a growing community of gardeners creating tropical spaces, so it's always worth exploring new channels for fresh ideas. So there you have it, my top 5 YouTube channels for exotic gardening, plus a few honourable mentions. Whether you're looking for design inspiration, plant care tips, or just a bit of tropical escapism on a rainy day, these channels are fantastic. Which of these channels do you already watch? Are there any that I missed? Drop your favourites in the comments. I love discovering new creators. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you back in the garden very soon.